TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Dow Industrials are up 185. You get the Nasdaq up 45. S&Ps are up 22. Gold contracts trading up $3 at $11.3960. Silver is up 33 cents at $15.58. You get platinum up 14 at $9.24. Copper's up 3.5 pennies at $2.36 a pound. Light sweet crude up 93 cents at $46.48 a barrel. Bonds 10-year down 8 ticks, 129.02. 30 down 29, 157.29. The 10-year, folks, had gone to an all-time high on Friday with volume, gave it up on price. 30 had wide price spread, went up with volume, pulled back. And in both of those cases, what you're going to see is that bonds, once again, will go up and at least test those levels. Because when you go to high price with volume, give it up on price, you go right back up to those levels. King dollar. King dollar up 58 ticks, 96.01. What King dollar had done is that 48,000 contracts moving to lower price. King dollar wants to get into its swing level from the 24th of August. That swing level, the lower end of that swing level, is 95 to 92. Euro is up 5 right now at 112, and the yen is at 120.22. Now, we go over to the market. If you take a look at the S&Ps first, what you see is this. S&P on Friday rejected lower price. You did have lighter volume. It gets topside. What we're doing right now is coming into the downdraft from the 18th of September. That downdraft, when you look at the SPY, the top of that downdraft is 198.66. The bottom is 194. You're coming into 223 million. We'll see what kind of juice it can do. Thus far, inside this marketplace right now, what you have divergence. And what the divergence is this, is that if we go over and we take a look at the NDX 100, if we use the 3 Qs, what you're going to see is that the market itself, the European markets are up 2.5 to 3%. The Dow has a little traction. S&P's a little traction. NASDAQ and the NDX 100, zero traction. I suspect what you're going to see is that it's going to get stopped right at this September 18th level. And the Qs, that's 105.12. So it's 105.17 rather. Thus far, we've hit 104.92. We go to the gold contract. What do you have with gold? Bottom line, gold had wide price spread. Accelerated volume on Friday. It's continuing out here today. You're up $3.20. We're at 11.39. Gold wants to run to its high of the 14th of August. That high is 11.69. What I expect we're going to see on this run, however, is 12.34. 12.34 is the May 18th high. Silver is basically leading the charge right now. Silver, no doubt, trades with much higher volatility on the way up and on the way down. What silver has done today, silver is up 34 cents. You have 34,000 contracts behind the move. Silver is at 15.61. It has hit 15.69. 15.77, folks, is the high from the 21st of August. So silver is leading gold right now. That's saying that silver also wants to run up to the $17.85, which is the high from May 18th. The bonds continue to give the most consistent information out in the marketplace. What we did with bonds on Friday is this. You broke all-time highs in the 10-year. We're still at all-time closing highs. We're at 129.05. The bonds took out 129.10 and just sliced them and diced them like nothing. We did 1.9 million contracts. Bottom line, you can expect bonds to continue to get to higher price, lower yield. If you're looking for a great deal on either gold coins or silver coins, you can give EverBank a call. Their number is 855-750-4051. They're selling gold at $75 over spot for 1 ounce silver coins. Silver, $7 over spot. That's all in, meaning delivered to your house. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call them at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.